If I take a look at this book, in the Pages panel, I have a cover, some front matter, the back cover. This will be the table of contents. And then the book actually starts reading on this page. In the Pages panel, to see a little bit more, we have 21 pages. I'm going to hit the panel menu at the upper right corner and choose View Pages horizontally. And now I can stretch this and see all the pages that I currently have in my Pages panel. So to this point, we have 21 pages. But I'd like what appears as physical page 4 to be numbered 1 where the book actually starts. To do that, we'll custom number the pages. So I'll double-click on what is the cover, and I'll choose from the Layout menu Numbering and Section Options. I typically like to use letters for the cover. So where it says Style, you could change it from the traditional 1, 2, 3, 4 to any one of these styles. I'll choose the little ABCD and click OK, and now I have all alphabetic numbering. The backup I don't need to change. But for page C, when I double-click, I want to make this Roman numeral 1. So to do that, I'll go to my Layout menu, Numbering and Section Options, and I'll choose Start Page Numbering at 1 and Style Little Roman Numerals. And I'll click OK. And now that becomes page I. Now where Chapter 1 starts, I'm going to double-click on what is currently page II and choose Layout, Numbering and Section Options, and Start Page Numbering at 1 again, and Style 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll click OK, and now I have 18 physical pages of real content, a table of contents page that will come, a backup to the cover, and a cover. And whatever page number you see in the Pages panel is the page number you choose when you want to print it in the Print dialog. Now I'd like to have actual page numbers physically printed on the bottom middle of each page. So I'll double-click on A Master. I can confirm that I'm on the master page by looking down here in the lower left corner. I'll go to my Type tool, and I'll start along the bottom pink margin and drag left to right. I'm going to make my height 0.25. I'm pretty consistent about making the page numbers 1/4 of an inch below the bottom of the page. Then I'll choose Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, and Current Page Number. And I'll center it. Lastly, I'll go to my Selection tool, and to make sure the page number isn't too close to the actual text, I'll align the page number to the bottom of the box. I'll double-click on the cover, and since the cover has no letter in it, it's using the None master, so it doesn't get a physical page number, which is a good thing. Same with the backup, and when I go to the Table of Contents page, page I can select my Zoom tool and zoom in and see that it is, in fact, a letter I. I'll fit my page back in window and double-click on page 1. It's numbered 1, and the rest number accordingly. So that is how you attach custom numbers to individual pages in a document. You use Layout, Numbering, and Section options, and simply choose the style that you'd like it to have, and then reset the numbering to 1 whenever you start a new section. The last note I should make is that every page that either has a custom number or is the beginning of a section gets a triangle above it. So this has been your tour of custom numbering pages and choosing custom styles for those numbers.